Good afternoon. Good afternoon, children. Good afternoon, everyone. So, in the class 4, we have started first lesson, that is lesson number 1. Think before you speak. Think before you speak. So, now we will go through the lesson number 2, that is the creature in Ahmed's cupboard. The creature in Ahmed's cupboard. So here a creature is in the Ahmed's cupboard, that we will go through the lesson now. So first I will write the lesson name, the creature in Ahmed's cupboard. That is the creature in Ahmed's cupboard. Okay, children, now I am going to the lesson. Okay, so now I am going to the lesson. I will explain you briefly. Okay, shall I start? Now I am starting. Bum bum scratch. So here bum bum scratch, he is there. So here, see here, bum bum so here it came bum bum scratch. Okay, scratch. So why I am writing this one means, here what we are getting, see in the punctuations I explained you. No, in the punctuation, what is this? I explained you. Apostrophe I explained, comma, full stop, hyphen I explained you. So why I wrote this one? Because of what is this, to know why it will come. So here in the punctuation we have learned here. So in the punctuation when it comes, so here see it, what it is, first of all it is exclamatory mark. Why it comes? Used to show the estimate or impress. So here it comes. So exclamatory mark, when it comes, to show that's what I wrote this bum bum scratch. Exclamatory mark has been came. So children, whenever whatever it needs, the punctuations when it comes, so only we know how it comes. So here if the situation is there, the exclamatory mark came, so I have written in the blackboard. Now I will go to lesson. So here bum bum scratch. Ahmed opened his eyes and pulled the blanket up to his chin. So here Ahmed, the name Ahmed, he was the name of a boy, Ahmed. Here the character is about the boy Ahmed. Opened his eyes, he opened his eyes and pulled the blanket up to the chin. So he pulled up to the chin blanket. He started around his room, searching in the darkness for the thing that was making those scary sound. So here in the darkness, some sound is coming, scary. Some noise is coming in the darkness. So the Ahmed has pulled his blanket from his chin and he started around. Around means he slept in a room. So now he started his searching, means vetukutunnadu in the darkness of the room. What the thing was making those scary sound? Which thing? Ante ఏ వస్తువు, ఏది అంత నాయిస్, స్కేరీ నాయిస్ చేస్తుందో తను వెతకడానికి వెళ్ళాడు ఆ యొక్క చీకట్లో. So next, the cupboard door moved as something banged on it from inside. So here cupboard lo nunchi it is a something as bang like this, dang 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 dang. It is coming from the inside of the cupboard. Cupboard here it is there. Children see here, cupboard is there. So from the inside of the cupboard it is coming some scare noise. So he went and saw the cupboard door. Who is there? See children, here comma is coming here. So why I am writing this verse means two punctuations are there here. Who's there? Who is there? So question mark as well as comma. Here this one also came. So one also came here. So why I wrote here means in the previous punctuations we have learned here. See this 2 has been here comma. So it is comma. Who is there? Question mark. Next. Here this one is 2 till the end. What is that? Question mark. Next after that this is quotations. So this is quotations marks. These are called quotation mark when the para comes here. So the quotation marks will come, comma came, as well as question mark also there. So this one, why I am writing examples? Because these are the punctuations between the lesson it has came. So I am explaining you to know, అంటే మీకు అర్థం అవ్వాలి ఏంటిది క్వశ్చన్ మార్క్ ఏంటిది, నెక్స్ట్ వచ్చేసి కొటేషన్ మార్క్ ఏంటిది, కామా అంటే ఏంటిది, ఎక్స్క్లమేటరీ మార్క్ అంటే ఏంటిదో మీకు అర్థం కావడానికి ఈ యొక్క పారాగ్రాఫ్స్ నేను ఇక్కడ రాసి మీకు ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేస్తున్నాను ఇన్ ద lesson between. So who is there? Ahmad asked in the shaky noise. So tanu భయపడుకుంటూ ఎవరున్నారు అక్కడ, who is there, he is asking. So the cupboard slowly began to open. So here the cupboard has been slowly opened. The cupboard అంటే cupboard మెల్లిగా ఓపెన్ అవుతుంది. Ahmad jumped out of the bed and ran to the cupboard door. So he was jumped out of the bed. Bed పై నుంచి he was out of the bed and ran to the cupboard door. So he went to the out of the cupboard. When he was in the bed he jumped after that and he went to the cupboard door. దగ్గరికి వెళ్ళాడు. So slamming is in the it's shut with the splamps. He grabbed a chair and propped it against the door handle. Then he ran out of this room and down the hall. His brother's door was wide open and Ahmad jumped on to Karim's bed. So here Ahmad, what he did? So some noise has came from the cupboard. So here it is a cupboard lo nunchi లిటిల్ బిట్ నాయిస్ వచ్చింది. దాని తర్వాత డోర్ ఓపెన్ అయ్యేసరికి తను ఏం చేశాడు, భయంతో రిటర్న్ టు హిస్ బెడ్. ఈ జంప్డ్ ran to his bed and went on his bed. Next, shaking his palm. So భయపడుతూ, see here his picture is there. How he kept the chair to the cupboard and jumped into the bed. After that the legs were shaking and he again went to jumped from the out of the his room. అతను భయపడుకుంటూ ఒక చైర్ అడ్డం పెట్టేసి అతని ఒక రూమ్లో నుంచి వాళ్ళ బ్రదర్ రూమ్లోకి వెళ్ళాడు. హూ ఈజ్ దట్ బ్రదర్? హీ వాస్ ద బ్రదర్ క్యారెక్టర్. ద బ్రదర్ ఈజ్ కరీం. ద బ్రదర్ ఈజ్ కరీమ్స్. ద సెకండ్ వన్ ఈజ్ హిస్ బ్రదర్. Karim's bed. So after he was getting fear, he went to Karim's bedroom. So here the Ahmad, so how much he is, see enta piriki vado Ahmad. సో పిరిక్తో అదేంటో తెలుసుకోకుండా భయంతో కరీం యొక్క రూమ్లోకి వెళ్ళిపోయాడు. భయంతో తన యొక్క రూమ్లో నుంచి భయపడుకుంటూ తన కరీమ్స్ రూమ్కి వెళ్ళిపోయాడు. సో నెక్స్ట్ ఏమైందో చూద్దాం. నెక్స్ట్ వాట్ హ్యాపెన్ వి విల్ సీ నౌ. అహ్మద్, Karim asked in Georgie voice, "What are you doing in here?" Ahmed tugged on Karim's arm. "There is something in my cupboard. You probably had a bad dream. Go back to your bed." So Karim asked, "Why you came to my room?" So George's voice, he asked, "Why you came here? In my room. What are you doing here? ఏం చేస్తున్నావు ఇక్కడ? In my room." So Ahmed tugged his arm and he catch a tug like his arm and he told, "In my cupboard is there something. My cupboard, it is something. It is there. You probably had a bad dream. You got a bad dream." అంటే నువ్వు ఏదో పీడకల కన్నట్టున్నావు. సో గో బ్యాక్ టు యువర్ బెడ్. సో వాట్ కరీం టోల్డ్, గో బ్యాక్ టు యువర్ బెడ్. సో నెక్స్ట్ వి విల్ సీ వాట్ హ్యాపెన్. అహ్మద్ anchored the blanket of the bed. It was not a dream. It was awake and the cupboard door started opening it by itself. So what he is explaining to his brother, so it is not a dream. I just woke up. So I just wake up after my bed only. I have seen that my cupboard is opening itself slowly. So he told to his brother, it started opening itself. So ఆ కబోర్డ్ తనంతర అతనే ఆ కబోర్డ్ అదే డోర్ ఓపెన్ అవుతుందని he told to his brother Karim, who told Ahmad has been told. So next, Karim cited, "Fine, but when we don't find anything, you have to promise to leave me alone for the rest of the night." So what Karim signed, what he told, see, fine, okay, is there anything in the cupboard? Okay, fine. So now if it is not there, you should leave rest of in my bed. So you should leave in me alone. సో అక్కడ ఓకే నువ్వు చెప్తున్నావు, నేను నమ్ముతున్నాను, బట్ అక్కడ ఏమీ లేకపోతే నన్ను వదిలేసేయాలి ఇన్ ద మై బెడ్రూమ్ టు రెస్ట్ ఫర్ మీ అలోన్, ద Karim told. Ahmed nodded. Karim reached into his desk drawer and pulled out the flashlight. Then they headed for Ahmed's room. Ahmed stopped in the doorway. He could hear something shattering his cupboard door. "Do you hear that?" Ahmed asked. So whatever Karim has told, Sir Ahmed had nodded his head. Okay, if there is nothing in your desk, so here he is asking, I will take the flashlight and I will come to your room and I will drag the cupboard. Next I will see, I will pull with the flashlight. If what it is there, we will see in your cupboard room. The Ahmed has stopped it doorway. So Ahmed has told the story. So next Karim went to, he taken the flashlight and went into his room. So what Ahmed did, he was stopped in there near the door only. Ahmed has stopped. See how much he is fearing. Do you hear that? Ahmed asked. So here he is asking his brother, anything you hearing? You are hearing? Edana vinpistunda neeku? Karim nodded. He walked over the Ahmed bed and pulled in the case of one of the pillows. He opened the pillowcase. So he was next, he nodded. Okay. He walked over the bed of Ahmed and pulled the case of the one of the pillow. He opened the pillowcase. Next, you open the door very slowly and I will grab whatever it is. Okay. Next, see here is Ahmed is Karim. So he went to his door and next he was pillowcase. Next, Ahmed slid the chair to the side and pulled the cupboard door open the crack. Something banged against the door trying to force it open. Ahmed took a deep breath and opened the door a few more inches. A small furry creature ran right into the pillowcase. Next, I got it, Karim said, closing the pillowcase and holding it in the air. What it is? Ahmed moved closerly as Karim peeked inside. Karim put the pillowcase on the bed and an organ cat climbed out. Ahmed scooped the cat up. Kitty, how did you get trapped in my cupboard? Karim laughed. The poor cat. If I was locked in your cupboard with your smelly shoes, I did not be banging on the door to get out too. Poor kitty, Ahmed said. You were probably more scared than I was. So here what happened? Slowly the Karim went inside and opened with the pillowcase. Slowly he was opening the door. So frightenedly a cat jumped from his cupboard. So how it went into the cupboard? While the help of shoe smell, he went into the cupboard. So here Karim has asked why you went from the cupboard. So the poor kitten it is telling why it slowly, here the shoes are there. With the help of shoe smell, it went inside and the Ahmed had locked his door. So here the Karim was again slowly pulled. He was very laughing. Laughing means it is a very laughing thing only. It is a small kitten. It is a cat was inside the cupboard. So he has a big with the fear. How much fear the Ahmed was? It is a shaking. He was shaking with full of his body. He was feared it. So now Karim laughed. Laughed means it is a silly thing. It is a small kitten, but he was very much feared. So the Karim was brave. Here what we are? Karim is a brave man. He went and he opened the cupboard and the cat came outside. So here slowly he asked, Karim laughed and he asked, why was you inside of the cupboard? He asking to the cat. The smell of shoes began to the door, and poor kitten Ahmed also said, you are probably more scared than me. So the cat, Ahmed is telling, nakanna ekku bayam nuve paddavu kan nikanna ekku bayam nenu paddanu. He is telling Ahmed. So here the story has been completed. It is a very small story. Here there is very small story, but he has explained in the briefly for you. Oka chinna room lo oka chinna cat undi. అందులో లాక్ అయిపోయింది. విత్ ద హెల్ప్ ఆఫ్ షూస్ మీద ఇట్ వెంట్ ఇన్సైడ్ ఆఫ్ ద డోర్. సో ద అహ్మద్ వాజ్ లాక్డ్. సో అహ్మద్ ఏదో సౌండ్ వస్తుంది, అది ఎట్లాగో మెసులుతూ ఉంటుంది ఆ కబోర్డ్లో. ఆ యొక్క భయంతో అహ్మద్ ఏం చేశాడు, ఏదో పెద్దది ఉందని చెప్పి భయపడి కరీం దగ్గరికి వెళ్ళి చెప్పేసరికి కరీం డేర్గా వచ్చి ఆ యొక్క క్యాట్ని బయటకు తీశాడు. ఆ కబోర్డ్ ఓపెన్ చేశాడు డేర్గా, ఆ క్యాట్ బయట పడిపోయింది. సో హియర్ ఎ స్మాల్ థింగ్ హ్యాస్ బికమ్. ఓకే, there is not a big thing, it is a laughing thing only. It is a big small cat in the picture you are looking. See, it is looking in the picture for you. So we have completed the lesson. So children, listen carefully lesson. Now I will go to the summative and formative assessment. Because it is a small lesson, I will complete also with the 2 paragraph also, formative assessment and summative. Tick the right answer. So here is asking the tick the right answers, whatever it may be, tick the right answer. So first one is, what happened to the right after Karim went to Ahmed's room? Ahmed jumped into the Karim bed. So first one is A. First one is A. So first one is A. Ahmed jumped into the Karim's bed is the correct answer. What did Karim plan to do with the pillowcase? What he want to do? Catch the creature in the cupboard. So with the help of that pillowcase, he want to catch the cat. So the second one is C. Next, third one is, What was making the stanza sound in the Ahmed cupboard? Kitty, their cat. So it is a kitty. So small kitty, their cat. So it is a cat. The next one is, who was brave, Ahmed or Karim? So here he is asking who was brave. Evaru ekko dhairyavantudu, Ahmada Karima? So you listen, tell you. Yeah, very good. It is Karim. Karim is brave. So I am writing it is Karim. Karim was brave because he daringly came and put out the cupboard from a kitten. Next, here fifth one and last one, fill in the missing letters to create a word from the story. Then write the full words on the lines. Be sure you spell each word correctly. So here is asking to pick up the words from the lesson. So this is the last bit, number 5. Bit number 5. So clues he given, sleepy. Here some clues have been given. First one is A1 dash dash O dash dash Y. So he given clue sleepy. So here the first one is Georgie. The second one is plants. The third one is C1 is pillowcase. Pillowcase. The D1 is headed. The E1 is peaked. The E1 is peaked. The F1 is scary. The one is scary. So children, here we have completed the whole 5th bit. Full of the bits also I completed in the lesson number 2. So first one is Georgie, palms, pillowcase, headed, peaked, scary. The F1 is scary. The last one is F1 is scary. So children, we have completed all bits and lesson. Thank you children. Thank you for listening my lesson so interesting and carefully. So children, you also please go through the lesson, and if you have any doubts, you ask your elders. Thank you. Thank you for listening my lesson children.